Okay, so today we're going to look at using WordPress as a blogger basically. There is lots of different sites that you can use, such as Blogger or Blogspot, but I find this was quite easy and easy for the students to work their way through as well. Okay, so if you obviously have an account, you just log in, but we're just going to start from scratch, so just click on Get Started. Okay, and we have an option to pick whether a blog, website, portfolio or online store. We're just going to start with a blog. Okay, again, it gives you different themes that you can use, so you know you can pick one of these or you can just skip for now, and you can always customize it again yourself later. You need to give it a name, so this is basically your subdomain name that you want to give. So for this class it's going to be the research and study skills, and then I'm going to ask each student to put in their own name against it, so that whenever I review it I can see straight away who it belongs to. It will either find it's available or not. So you can see there, Georgie McIlvany blog. So it's very long, so you might think, okay, well, what will I do? Can I just do G McIlvany and see if that comes back? And there you have RSS G McIlvany. So you might use your student number or something like that. Okay, and we select that. So this is now your domain name basically, and click on select. Again, you have different options to pay or whatever. We're just going to go with the free one. Okay, and you need to put in your email address. And then you want to choose a password. So put in a password that you'll remember, that you can relate to your course or for whatever reason you're actually doing this, and then click on continue. Okay, we're not going to save it at the moment. Okay, so your congratulations, your website's nearly ready. It's congratulations, view my site. Basically, there you are. This is your subdomain name, and you can click on view my site. And now you have your site. Okay, it gives you some little guidelines here about what you can do. Manage your site from here, change your theme design, add poster pages. Okay, if you click through that, it says customize your site. You can customize this way, you can customize your theme. Got it? Just kind of starts. So this is your first post. Okay, so this is, you can actually just edit this one, okay, rather than actually starting a new one as well. And it brings you into the edit option within it. Okay, and you can say, all right, again, these are going to come up saying what you can do. You can just work your way through those. Click to add images, let you add other things, and then this is your option here to show or hide those settings, and got it. So obviously you read through them, but they're basically just telling you how to put your post in. Okay, so your first blog post, so you could say, right, well, you know, you're talking about, you know, maybe the first class that you had. Okay, and then you can edit this to reflect what you want it to be. So etc. So you can just keep going there at that. Okay, if you don't want the picture, you can also just delete it, because it's just put it there. You can add in your own picture. So again, if you go in here, then you can say, right, okay, want to add some media. Okay, and you know, you can look at your images. So if you can do images, a document, a video, or an audio. So you can just click on images, and this should browse. You can upload a media to your actual thing, so you can just go upload media, which allow you to browse your PC. And if we can find something fairly quickly, the one thing about it is that you only get 3 gig for your blog, so that when you're uploading media like this, like pictures, they will take up a lot more space, so you do have to be careful about that. Okay, it's just really slow. Just not worry about that. Going to put in this picture. Okay, as that you could do audio, so you could upload a podcast, but you do have to be conscious that you only got 3 gig for your actual, so 3 gig for free. Okay, and then you want to click on insert, and that posts in there. Okay, so you can do a preview to see what it's going to look like when you finish, and there's the thing. So you haven't put in a title or a menu for it, and you can put in something like that, but then you can also then post it.